means I want to feel like I've given it a fair talk because I love the place. If you had insisted on loving that place this morning, it would be in the other way round. I hated it. And if you'd have insisted you really wanted it, I would have been the one disappointing you. And I would have expected that, if I really hated it, that you would give up on wanting it. I would expect it the other way around, so I'm not going to not expect it when you hate something and I love it. I guess I just need convincing. I just wanted to talk through my points.
Know what?
Oh, just to withdraw the application.